Okay, everyone, we're ready to finish up this small area, which is like a lay-on on the roof or a small gable end. These are hard to cut because of the double angles. Of course, this time I'll put my safety glasses on since I forgot on the previous recording. We're going to start with an angle and measure over, and then a straight cut on the end. So since it's 612, I have a piece here with the angle on it already. The distance over is 15 3/4. So 15 3/4 straight cut. So got the straight cut. Now it looks like we do have a small angle here. And that looks to be 7 3/8. So let's go up 7 3/8. That's our little angle here. I'm going to cut straight up 612 again. That's our little cut. Hopefully this fits in okay. Looks good. As I mentioned before, you can actually measure this distance on this and get your next measurement. In this case, it's going to be about 30 inches. Want these to line up with this side here. So we're still set up with the 612. I'm going to cut the left angle. Now these will repeat all the way up. So we're going to measure 30 inches. These should fit all the way up. Basically the same cut. One more cut, 30. As you can see, we're going to eventually be going back up this way. So, judging by what we got here, it looks like we need to go the other direction. So since we're still at a 612 and that's also 612, all we really need is just this one marked right here. We transfer it to the back, put the siding over. And that gives us the angle going the other direction. And then again, if we measure across the top here, it gives us our next size at 29. And that should finish up the siding. One more piece. The right cut. 29 inches. And that's our last piece. Now these pieces here, some people will put a little trim nail up there to hold it, but if you put a little dab of caulk in the locking area here, that'll keep it locked in so it won't fall out. So there you have it.